Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. You know, Halloween parties are all the rage now. And if you're going to have a Halloween party, you gotta make that food look super, super cute. So today, we're going to make our yoo-hoo into a mummy moo-hoo. That's right, it's a mummy yoo-hoo. I'm going to teach you how to make one right now. For this project, you will need a drink box, hot glue gun, googly eyes, scissors, white crepe paper streamers, and a ballpoint pen. First thing you're going to do is pop off your straw, because you're going to need that for later. And take a little teeny bit of hot glue, put it on the side, and just start wrapping your box. Drink. And I just kind of wrap it, and every like 2-3 wraps, just give it another little bit of glue. And I'm just kind of going on an angle here, get to the top of it. Then when you get to the top, you're going to wrap it around. One more good time there. And then just cut right there. Now you're going to take another streamer. And this one doesn't need to be that long. About a foot. Fold this one on a diagonal from one edge to the next, so that you've got this kind of wrapper look. I'm going to put a little glue on the one far side and wrap it around on a diagonal to give it a little character, and then bring it back around to the front. Put a little bit more hot glue, and then come around and just seal it in the back. Now we're going to take our little straw, and just where it had its little spots before, just glue it to the side. You could use glue dots for that if you wanted to as well. And then I'm just going to stick my little eyeballs up into these little fold over area. So I'm going to just put a little hot glue on the back here. Put it into the folded up area. Almost makes like a kind of like a eyelid. And then this one I'm going to tuck underneath this one. Just a little bit to give it some character. There you go. So there's your dizzy mummy. And now he just needs a mouth. Use a ballpoint pen as opposed to like Sharpie pen, because it'll bleed if you use a Sharpie. But it won't if you use a ballpoint. You can make a funny, goofy mouth. And there you have it. A mummy who's gonna taste good in your tummy. For more Halloween ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.